Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Homes. Good afternoon. Some nut wants to buy my old John Deere Js60 Js26. I had a few 63s. This is a Briggs Quantum engine, and I don't remember what I did to this last year because I've had so many mowers that I fixed and so many videos. I think I'm up to 1,200 videos in just the past 2.5 years because I do a video a day, as you guys know. Moving forward, I'm going to be taking the weekends off, so you'll get probably 3 to 5 videos a week. Still a lot more than the average YouTuber. I wasn't going to make a video today, but I thought that this was going to just start up no problem and I'd sell it, you know what I mean? But tried pulling it a few times after I put gas in it. There was no gas in it when I got to it, but that doesn't mean I drained the gas from last year, you know what I mean? Before I stored it. When I took this off, there was a lot of sand in between the fins of the head, almost like ants made their colony in there, you know, so I had to scrape it out. It wouldn't start. It looks kind of rusty, like water's been here, you know, and the filter's kind of yucky too, so might change a filter for this if I can get this thing running. Anyway, I blew some contact cleaner from my friends over at Lucas Oil through the mouth into the intake manifold. The auto choke flap is kind of sticky, so like even if you moved it by your hand, there's a little bit of resistance. Like the spring is not strong enough to close it, by the way, you know. Moving it around, it's a little better now. And I had sprayed some, I'm going to do it again for you, right through into the intake manifold. And we try to start it, and it doesn't stay running. It only stays running on the squirt. So you know what? We're gonna have to just take the carburetor off and see what the story is. Disgusting. Disgusting. So I didn't clean out my carburetor or let the fuel. So clean this up. As you guys saw real quick, took it apart, cleaned it, put it back again. There was a lot of gelled up gas that was in the carburetor bowl, very sticky. So hopefully it's trickling gas in there now, and hopefully it'll start. Let's give it a try. So it seems like there's some water that was still in there. That's what it sounds like. Seems like there's water in there. Very good. All right, awesome. So there was still probably a little bit of water, maybe inside the intake manifold area, but then once we shot some lube in there, some carb spray in there, it ignited eventually, right? And then the combustion blew the remaining moisture out the muffler, so now it should be good. There might be some water in the bowl, maybe from maybe a couple of drops, very little, from inside the gas tank maybe. But looks like it just starts no problem now. Yep, very strong. I'm going to change this air filter and maybe meet the guy and go sell it. Giving it a quick spray down just to make it look a little better. Could make the difference between a sale or not, you know. I have this listed for $175. It's a little much, I know. So I'm meeting a guy in about an hour, and hopefully gonna sell this for $175. Honestly, I'd take $150, $125 for it. I honestly just want to get rid of everything I got, you know, and just get better stuff. Oh, as you saw, man, oh man, what a relief to get rid of it. Can you believe I sold another mower? I'm so stoked. Anyway, no haggling, $175. Score! Well, that's great that I sold another mower. I got a feeling that I'm going to be selling more mowers as time goes by. As soon as the weather starts getting better and better like this, more people are going to be interested in my lawnmowers. I have about 15 left in my shed. I think I might have to work on those carburetors, every one of them, you know. I'd be lucky if I didn't. Anyway, as you can see, I've been painting some parts for my rifle. If you guys would like to see my rifle stuff, go check out Hank the Asian Redneck's YouTube channel. Got about 4 or 5 episodes on my rifle purchase. It's pretty interesting if you're into guns. If not, subscribe to Hank the Asian Redneck's channel anyway. You could use the subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. $175 for that mower. Just did a quick carb clean on it, as you saw, and that's free money all day long. Thanks a lot for joining me on that brief episode. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.